My name is Greg Willis, and about approximately 10 years ago, I was confronted with a life-altering situation, something I would not wish on anyone. My 6-year-old son was struck by a pickup truck, and he was knocked 46 feet. We didn't know whether he was going to live or die for 3 days. That changed our life. It put our whole life on hold for months. Very thankful to the Lord that my son survived and made it through. After the initial shock of what had happened, and we were able to catch our breath, friends were talking and mentioned that there were things that I needed to be concerned about regarding my son and medical expenses and things that could impact him later on in life. I reached out to friends, business leaders for a recommendation, and they referred me to a couple of attorneys. I interviewed a few of the attorneys, and I settled on one. He was downtown beneath the tall skyscrapers of the city. I thought I'd made the right choice. We went through maybe a year and a half. The attorney handed my case over to one of his partners. After about a couple of weeks, the attorney brought me in. He had a manila folder, and he said, handed it to me. He goes, "You don't have a case. Now get out of my office. I'm not going to take it any longer." So, almost felt like a second gut punch. I had another friend, business associate, and I don't know, perhaps, I just think that it was the Lord bringing it back to my mind. I remember him just mentioning Mr. Osborne and Mr. Osborne's law firm, and how Mr. Osborne's law firm had helped him in a case. I'm not sure why that was brought to my attention, but I reached out to my friend and I asked him, I said, the attorney you dealt with, that you know, could you pass me his name? So I called up Mr. Osborne's office, scheduled an appointment. At that time, I had nothing to lose. We were real close to, I think, the statute of limitations running out on my case. I'm very grateful for Mr. Osborne and his law firm, and for him agreeing to take my case when others said I had no case. I don't know what went on behind the scenes. I just see the results. I heard of the results. I heard the results of the effort that he and his team tirelessly put in. I can say without a shadow of a doubt, if it wasn't for Curtis Osborne and the Osborne Law Firm, I would not have had a successful conclusion to my case.